Hi everyone, welcome back to Sharpskin. Today I have got a fantastic tutorial for you. We are diving into making your website header and section sticky with the help of a plugin. It's a simple way to enhance your website navigation and user experience, so let's get started. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly talk about why sticky header matters. A sticky header stays at the top of your page, keeping essential navigation links accessible as your user scrolls down. It's a small but effective way to improve the overall usability of your website. Like when I go to this website and I scroll down and these navigation are accessible. So for this tutorial we will be using a fantastic plugin called myStickyMenu. It's a versatile tool that allows you to make your header and even specific sections on your page sticky. Let's dive into the installation and setup process. Go to the plugins, click on add new. In the search bar type or paste myStickyMenu. Once you find it, click on install now and then activate the plugin. Easy, right? Now that the plugin is active, let's configure our sticky header. Head over to the plugin setting like sticky menu setting, and here you can customize the behavior. And then turn this on, and from here select your menu, select your sticky class, and here give it a pixels like make visible on scroll at home page. After how many pixels that header is visible, you can adjust its transition time. You can adjust its opacity. You can adjust its effect, slide or fade. And you can make visible on scroll after how many pixels, and you can adjust its background color and also sticky text color. So this feature is for pro, and I will just stick with this. And you can just add this effect in pro, like disable sticky menu at scroll down, and without this plugin we can do that with CSS, and I also do that before that. And when you is satisfied with your changes, hit the save button. Suppose I'm here wanted this header menu to show on my website. For that, click on save button. Here you can give it your header, or and when you go to your website, or if you do not do that, it will make your header sticky without any change, without any customization. So you see, I have just this logo, and its width and height is not adjusted now, but you see this header is sticky when I scroll down. So you can do that with that plugin. And there you have it with myStickyMenu plugin. You have got a powerful tool to make your header sticky, boosting your website's navigation. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop any question or comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.